Dear friends, today I am going to explain you how to prove two triangles congruent and after proving them congruent, how to find the desired result. Here the question is, in an isosceles triangle, prove that the altitude from the vertex bisects the base. So first of all, we make one isosceles triangle. This is ABC in which AB equals to AC. Okay, so this is the solution we are doing. Here altitude means perpendicular drawn on a base. We have always to keep in mind whenever we talk of altitude, it denotes perpendicular distance. Here AM is a perpendicular, that's why AM is called the altitude. A is the vertex, that's why from vertex an altitude has been drawn, that is the perpendicular has been drawn, and the opposite side of vertex A is BC. So while proving, first of all we should write given. What is given to us? Here in given, AB equals to AC and AM is perpendicular on BC. These two things are given. And one thing always you keep in mind, when any line is perpendicular on another line, then what does this mean? It implies that angle AMB is equals to angle AMC and that is equals to 90 degree. So a perpendicular always makes 90-degree angle with the horizontal line, that is the base here. So these are the things given. After that, second thing that you have to write, to prove. What to prove? We have to prove. Question is telling bisects the base. That means here base is BC and it is divided in two equal parts. That is BM equals to MC. This we have to prove it. Okay. Now third thing that we have to write is proof. Here we are not doing any construction. Otherwise, before proof we will write construction also when the need arises. But here no requirement is there. Now, after writing proof, you make one column. In this column, left side you write a statement, underline it. Right side you write the reason. That means whatever is statement here we will write, its reason we have to give. So, we have to take two triangles because BM and MC are included in two triangles, and whenever we talk of congruency, then two triangles we have to take to make them congruent. First of all, to get the desired result, and our result is what? BM equals to MC we have to bring. So we take two triangles. So in triangle ABM and triangle AMC, underline it. Now in these two triangles you see three things we have to make equal. According to congruency property, you know that without three things being equal, we cannot make the triangles congruent. So the first thing that we get is AM equals to AM. Then what is the reason? It is common. Common means it is present in both the triangle. ABM, AM is coming. ACM, AM is coming. So AM is common for both the triangles. Second thing that we know, AB equals to AC. Why? Reason is what? It is given. Because it is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, two sides are always equal. And the third thing that we have is angle AMB is equals to angle AMC and that is 90 degree. What is the reason? Reason is AM is perpendicular on BC. Now you find three things we have got. So what we will write then? Therefore triangle AMB congruent triangle AMC. Then by which criterion? By right hypotenuse side criterion. of congruency. Now what does this mean? Right hypotenuse, right hypotenuse and side. Right means always you have to keep in mind 90 degree. This is 90 degree, so this is called right. Hypotenuse means just opposite to 90 degree, whichever side is there, and here it is AC in this triangle, here AB in this triangle, and both these are opposite to 90 degree. That means in front of 90 degree, which side lies, that is called hypotenuse. So right means 90 degree, hypotenuse is the longest side or the side opposite to 90 degree, and one side that is common here, so it is called right hypotenuse side. And we have always to keep in mind that RHS criterion we will apply only in two right angled triangle. If the triangles are not right angled, we cannot use RHS criterion of congruency. Now, when these two triangles are congruent, then what do we get? We get BM equals to MC, and that is called CPCTC. Hence proved. Now, one question will arise in your mind that what does CPCTC means? So here I give the full form: corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. That is called CPCTC. Okay, so like this way we will prove the two triangles congruent by using different criteria we have been taught. And thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.